Mark your calendars for Champlin's 4th annual Trout Ice Fishing Contest. The event will be held on February 4th from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. located at the Trout Pond on French Lake Road. Registration is now open but limited. Hey look, it's fun for the entire family. You can expect prizes and surprises. For full info on this event, be sure to visit Champlin's website or their Facebook page. And to register, make sure and follow the link on the graphic. Happy fishing, good luck, and have fun.